You ever notice some people reach for a hammer, some reach for duct tape. Chopper, that man reaches for an impact wrench, like a Catholic reaches for the wine during Mass. It ain't even a decision, it's liturgy. Morning coffee, peaceful day, nothing much to do or say. Birds are singing, sky is blue, everything's behaving too. Then somebody whispers softly, draw, before the sentence can be done. He's halfway to the toolbox, like a gunslinger to his gun. No discussion, no debate, no committee voting first. Impact wrench already humming, like mechanical bloodthirst. Hey, you hear? Across the hall, everybody freezes, one by one. Somebody asks, what's broken? Chopper smiles, we're gonna find us one. He found the impact wrench. Lord, hide the furniture, hide the shelves, hide anything attached by screws. He found the impact wrench. Every project in the county just got volunteer without permission, without review. He found the impact wrench. There goes another Saturday, there goes another afternoon, there goes the peace and quiet. Too late now. Nah. Flathead? Nah. Phillips? Don't be strange. Every problem ever born apparently requires maximum torque at point-blank range. Tiny hinge, impact wrench, loose knob, impact wrench, picture frame, impact wrench, neighbor's mailbox. Let's not give them ideas. Some folks carry pocket knives, some folks carry keys. Chopper walks around prepared to separate entire assemblies. Woo! He found the impact wrench. Watch him walk like destiny, wrapped in 18 volts and bad intentions. He found the impact wrench. The drawer wasn't that broken, now it's 27 independent components. He found the impact wrench. If it spins, he's interested. If it rattles, he's committed. If it has screws, it's already over. You know, you don't understand. Normal people see a broken drawer. Chopper sees an opportunity. He doesn't ask, can this be repaired? He asks, how quickly can we remove every fastener currently participating in this arrangement? That is a different religion. Everybody yelling, nobody heard. Compensation deferred. Brett's got nails, I got hope. Somebody's measuring with a piece of rope. Chopper says, stand back. Nobody moves because nobody knows what counts as standing back. I came in just to watch TV, stretch my legs, exist a while. Found a car door on the dining table, like it had always been in style. Drawer parts on the coffee table, impact sockets on the floor, 3 extension cords somehow connected to things we've never owned before. Brett just sighs. It's tool time, like accepting weather or gravity. Me, I'm wondering how one human being can locate that impact wrench faster than I can find my own damn glasses jar. He found the impact wrench. Raise your cups and duck your heads. The project's grown again. He found the impact wrench. Started with one busted drawer, ended somewhere near a kitchen renovation. He found the impact wrench. Nobody knows how it happened. Nobody knows where the screws went. Nobody knows why the porch light's blinking, but Chopper says it'll buff out. Run. You know, I still don't know where he keeps that impact wrench. I just know if something breaks, he'll have it in his hand before you finish saying, we'll see. Too late.